What is up, guys? It's the BC Gaming here. How y'all doing today? I'm doing pretty good here today. Teaching you guys how to create your own Steam account and how to install it. Be quick and easy and to the point. By the way, guys, if you like the video, make sure you squish that like button. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Go and subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell for future videos just like this one. Alright, so start out. SteamPowered.com right there. Here. I will leave the link in the description below, but it's pretty straightforward. So now we're gonna you'll come to this page here to create one. I already have a Steam account, but we're gonna make a new one for this video for you guys. Put in my information here. I'm gonna click I am 13 and I am not a robot. And we'll go through this whole process, and now I'll come back once I go through that. Alright, guys, once you're done with that, you're gonna go through a series. Once you put your email and stuff in, you want to go through the process of verifying your email. I wouldn't do that on stream. That's just too much information for me to be giving out. But yeah, you go through the verification process. I just make a username and a password and all that. Once you're done with that, you'll be back here on the Steam page. And from here to install it, all you have to do is go up here to hit install Steam. And I already have it installed, so I'm going to you just go through here, Windows, or if you have Mac, or if you have the Steam software, you can do it on there. And that's pretty much all you have to do. You get through the whole process, install it, and then once you get it installed, all you got to do is bring up Steam. You'll probably have to log in. Now this is the store, as is right here. This is your library, your community, and your basic profile stuff right here. And that's pretty much it. Guys. It's pretty simple, straightforward. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. If you did, hit that like button. Go ahead and subscribe. Y'all have an awesome day.